I'm going to show you start to finish how I'd create an activity for practicing fluency. Before you start, you want to make sure that you have a PDF file that you want to use and make sure it's only 1 page long. If you're not sure how to save something as a PDF or how to make things just 1 page long, just let me know. I can help you with that. So I'm going to create a new activity. I'm going to call it Fluency Practice. And now I have some students that I would rather just do voice instructions rather than having them read the directions. So I would add voice instructions. And I'm going to record. And I'm going to say, hi, I have a fluency practice for you to practice reading your words out loud. While you are doing this, you are going to read each word and you are going to underline it so that you are saying the word nice and clear. Now I'm going to stop it, and that is going to be my instructions so that they can just listen. If you want, you can also type those same instructions right there. Those instructions were not great, but we're going to move on. If you wanted to add a video, so if you wanted to do the same exact lesson that we're going to do, but you wanted to do an example first, you could do that here. So we're going to take this and I'm going to upload this example. And I'm going to say, okay, you are going to say each word, and as you're reading it, you're going to underline it. Above, over, under. Now those directions are going to show up right here, so now the kids can see what they're supposed to be doing. So there's the example of what they're doing. Now I want to add that same template for them to do the rest of the words. So I'm going to upload that same file. And now they can go through and they can write right on this same exact PDF, and they can underline the words as they read them so that they can get some fluency practice. We're going to save it. So now I have my title. I can type my instructions or I can do an audio of the directions. I attached an example so that they can see a couple of how to do it, and then the template is attached. When you attach the template, you don't want to draw on it at all, because whatever you drew, like how I drew these lines, that's going to show up on theirs. If you just want the blank one, just attach it as a blank one and don't draw anything on it. Now I'm going to save. And now this is saved in my library, so I can just keep it there until you are ready to assign it. As soon as you click assign, and I click assign to one class, that is going to go on my class's assignment. So if I go back, I can look and I can see all the activities that I've assigned. If you want to create it, but you don't want to put it out there for the kids to work on yet, then you can just leave it right here in your library and you can always go back and assign anything that you've created.